here it is, our new harness. It's very sturdy. All the metal buckles. And as we can see, where is it? There's metal buckles. Extra large. I don't actually see a size on the harness. Maybe they got the size wrong. Who knows? So here is the neck. You've got your adjustment straps. This is where your seatbelt goes through. And here is where it's supposed to go around your, there we go, 108-pound dog's chest. I could get a better position on my camera. And there's no extra strap in here. So basically, if I adjust the neck to fit around the dog's head, we have no material down here to fit around the dog's waist, chest. It just doesn't work.